Welcome to TubeBuddy. My name is Daniel, and I have one mission here today, and that's to walk you through the TubeBuddy software in a way that makes it easy for you as a creator to understand. Now that can be tricky because TubeBuddy has a lot of features, but I promise you, once you find the features that you want to use and learn how each feature works, TubeBuddy will become an integral part of your YouTube journey without even thinking about it. Let's dig in. Once you've installed the TubeBuddy Browser Extension, the only thing you really have to remember is that wherever you see the signature TubeBuddy logo while you're logged into YouTube, that's a spot where TubeBuddy gives you features that only TubeBuddy users have. All you need to do is click on them to open up a whole new world of possibilities. The single most important TubeBuddy access point is the one that sits at the very top of your YouTube page, and that's our user interface, or UI as we like to call it. When you click on the UI, you'll see a main screen open up which gives you quick links to some of TubeBuddy's most popular tools, like the Keyword Explorer, or the Thumbnail Generator, or even our A/B testing features. These are all shortcuts designed to get you into TubeBuddy's most used features more quickly. And as you get to know your TubeBuddy software better, these shortcuts will make a lot more sense based on which features meet your daily needs. In the tabs of this main screen, TubeBuddy also offers you the ability to keep up on industry news and track your own personal milestones to celebrate the achievements your channel has accomplished as you grow. Now over on the right side of the user interface, you're going to see options broken down into 5 simple sections. The very first section is YouTube Shortcuts. Now, much like the main section of TubeBuddy's most used features, this first section gives you shortcuts specifically designed to get you into the most used YouTube features with one simple click. Sometimes finding the creator-controlled areas of YouTube while working on your channel can require a lot of clicking around. What we've done here is to give you the ability to get right where you want to be inside of YouTube with just one click. This top upper right gives you quick links to options you would find in your channel controls when you're in YouTube Studio or Creator Studio Classic. Things like your dashboard analytics, your videos, your playlists, your live streaming controls. All of your comments and more are here at your fingertips. These are the very same YouTube features that you would usually have to spend time digging into YouTube to access, but we've taken all of those steps out of the way to get you there fast. Shortcuts. Pretty cool, huh? Now there are 4 more sections below that on the right side of your user interface that I'll be covering in the video coming up next. But if you want to learn more about these individual features, I'll put links down below to help you master each and every one of the features we've discussed. Once you feel like you've got a good grasp on these features, join me in the next video where we'll move on to the next section. I'll see you over there.